I heard that there's a new COVID-19 testing method that we can do it at home and get the result in just 15 minutes. I've been to several pharmacies in Foshan but couldn't find one. Luckily, we can get it online. So today, let's check it out. So we can open some online shopping platform and then type antigen testing in the search bar. Now, as we can see, there are multiple products. We can click on it, choose the right amount. So on average, it's around 20 to 30 yuan per kit. After 2 days, we finally received the antigen testing kit. So let's have a try. But before that, remember to wash your hands and clean your nose. Now it's good to go. So here is the kit. Let's open it. First step is put the swab inside your nostril. So here is the swab. And then stick it to the side, spin it for 4 times. 1. Same procedure for another. Now here is the tube. Let's open the tube. Let's put the swab inside the tube. Soak it with the liquid and then squeeze it for more than 5 times. Then we can break it off. Leave it completely inside the tube. The last step is to remove the lid. Then find your testing card. Here is the testing card. Open the lid and then drip 4 drops of liquid to the testing card. And then it's done. Let's wait for 15 minutes. And now let's check my result. 1 line means negative. Then we can put all the stuff inside this bag and seal it properly. Throw it as regular waste. However, if 2 lines, it means positive. Then you should contact local community as soon as possible and go to do NET under instructions. And remember, bring the bag with you and then hand it to the doctor. However, NET is still the most accurate testing method. The antigen testing is a supplementary method which is designed for earlier detection. The faster we can get the result, the lower chance pandemic spreads. As for Foshan people, remember to wear masks and keep social distance. Let's make our own efforts in pandemic prevention.